Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that its interior angle ABC is 75 degrees. The angle BAC is x degrees. And finally, this exterior angle is 2 times x. And moreover, this segment AC length is 8 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the area of this triangle ABC, so therefore we must find the value of angle x, and we know our two interior angles are x and 75 degrees, whereas this exterior angle is 2 times x. So therefore let's recall the exterior angle theorem. According to this theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, as you can see in this given diagram. And here we can see our angle C is our exterior angle, whereas these angles A and B are our two opposite interior angles, such that the exterior angle C is going to be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles A and B. And now let's revert our attention back to this given problem. And here we can see 2x is our exterior angle, whereas x and 75 degrees are our two opposite interior angles. So therefore, according to this exterior angle theorem, we could write the exterior angle 2x is going to be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles x plus 75 degrees. And now I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And here we can see this x and negative x, they are gone. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be equal to 75 degrees. So thus this x angle value turns out to be 75 degrees. And likewise this exterior angle 2x is going to become 2 times 75 is going to give us 150 degrees. And now let's recall the straight angle property. We know this whole angle is going to be 180 degrees. And we know that this exterior angle is 150 degrees. So therefore this interior angle has got to be 180 minus 150 is going to give us 30 degrees. And now let's focus once again on this triangle ABC. And we can see this triangle ABC is our isosceles triangle. Since this angle is 75 degrees and this angle is 75 degrees as well. So therefore we conclude that this side AC length has got to be congruent to this side BC length. And we know this AC side length is 8 units. So therefore this side BC length has got to be 8 units as well. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times A times B times sine of angle C. As you can see in this given triangle, A and B are our sides of the triangle, whereas this angle C is in between these two sides. And here we can see our two side lengths are 8 and 8, and 30 degrees is angle in between. So therefore our triangle ABC area is going to be a half times our one side is 8, the other side is 8 as well, sine of angle 30 degrees. And now we know that our sine of 30 degrees value is simply 1 divided by 2. So therefore I'm going to replace that sine of 30 degrees with 1 divided by 2 over here. Let's go ahead and simplify. So we got 1 divided by 2. 8 times 8 is going to give us 64, and then times sine of 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2. And now if we multiply and simplify these numbers, that is going to give us 16 square units, the area of this triangle ABC. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 16 square units. In other words, the area of this triangle ABC is going to be 16 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.